Hello guys, what's up? John Mac here. Today I'm going to talk to you about Android and its open source. And so you all know Android runs on people's tablets like mine. See? This is Android 4.4.2 KitKat, I believe. KitKat, yeah, KitKat. It's KitKat. And it's a really good operating system. Cheaper to use. It's open source. That's the best part. Any company can modify Android as long as they've got a developer's license. I don't have a developer license because I gotta pay $25 for it. Or more. But anyway, what I want to talk to you about is, how come if Android is open source, you gotta root it to do some stuff? Yeah, I know. If you want to do so-and-so, you gotta jailbreak your iPhone to do it. Yeah, I get that. Because Apple iOS is closed source. Apple is closed source. No one can edit it. In Android, you've got a bit more freedom. Never mind. But you've got a little bit more freedom to use Android. And what I don't like about that is, if you've got freedom, use fucking Android. Why do you gotta root your tablet? Why you've gotta root Android? So that you can do certain stuff. Oh, perfect timing! Who's here? The mail doesn't come today. Who's here? Who's here? Come on in. Oh. It's just Riley. Oh. The least you can do is knock, Riley, and not ring the freaking doorbell like everybody else. The dogs go crazy with that. But anyway, what it was saying was, if Android is open fucking source, why you gotta root Android to do some stuff on it? Oh, Android's open source. Yet you gotta root it to do stuff. Sometimes. I want to screen record my tablet in good quality without using a fucking computer. Without using a computer. I don't want to use a computer to fucking screen record my tablet. I don't want to. I want to do it directly from the thing. But you gotta root it to do that. And so my dad said I could have his old Android tablet that he used to do Android reviews with, but he doesn't anymore, so he let me use it. But the fucking thing is, once you go into an app, you can't get back out of it, because there's no home button, and the home buttons vanish somehow, so that I can't get back home, and now it looks sort of like this, like I can't do anything but one app. I gotta restart the entire thing every single time I want to change an app. And that's just fucking annoying. So, that's what I get for trying to root my tablet. Now, it doesn't do jack squat. And I can't show you what it looks like, because the fucking thing's dead from sitting in my room the entire time. So, yeah. Open source means open source. You've got the freedom to do whatever you want on it. Without any mistakes or trouble. So why do I gotta root it to do some stuff? I gotta go through the expert coding process to freaking root my stuff. I gotta download malware onto my lap. What? I gotta download malware on my tab, on my computer, so that I can do it. You gotta download malware on your computer to root this device. Then you gotta connect the USB cable to your fucking computer. And then you gotta open the application, requires an admin password every fucking time. Because I've got Windows Live Family Safety, and apparently there's no way to turn off the ability to enter a fucking password every time you want to install a fucking program. That's just stupid. I don't want to bug my parents to do that. The only way to get rid of that is to make me an admin again and just download a program that does time restrictions. Then I can type in my own password to download programs. That's just freaking stupid. I don't want to bug my parents every time. So why? Why do I have to root my why Android if you're open source? Why can't a person do whatever they want without rooting it? I don't want to root my tablet. It'll give it problems. That's why I use my Acer, which is now fucking broken. It's an $80 tablet. It still works fine. Until now. My dad's gonna kick my butt if he needs an Android review. Unless he uses my tablet, which doesn't have very much storage. It's 8 GB of my tablet. It can't hold very much the way I put it. Because some of the apps don't even allow me to move them to the SD card. Google, fix Android! Stop making us root it to do whatever we want. They're open source. I can't understand why we need to root our tablets to do what we tablets and Android tablets and phones to do whatever we want on them if you're open source. I can understand iPhones needing to be jailbroken because they're closed source. Rooting is basically the Android way of jailbreaking. And the iPhones I can understand. You need to root them because they're closed source. But Android, the open source, that's just fucking stupid. So Google, if you're watching this, fix Android.